Hi, I'm Carl Buell, and I'm a partner with Continuation Capital with a quick video about the difference between Regulation A and Regulation D. Which one is better? Here's a quick review. Let's look at the differences between a Reg A offering and a Reg D offering. A Reg A is an exemption from registration, so it's a little bit faster and less expensive than a full IPO or initial public offering. You can raise up to $20 million in any 12-month period for a Tier 1 or up to $50 million in any 12-month period for a Tier 2. General solicitation or testing the waters is allowed by the SEC before the offering is qualified. This is a huge and distinct advantage with a Regulation A over many other types of offerings. You can target both accredited and non-accredited investors, and on the financial requirements, a Tier 1 only requires 2 years of reviewed financials, while a Tier 2 requires 2 years of audited financials. Those are the biggest differences between a Tier 1 and a Tier 2. All non-affiliate shares are free trading. And how do you file? You file a Form 1A with the SEC, and the SEC declares you as qualified before any securities can be sold. So let's compare that with a Reg D 506C. A Reg D is still and also an exemption from registration. There is no cap in terms of the amount of capital that can be raised. So that's a big difference between a Reg A and a Reg D. On the solicitation side, you can only solicit if you are targeting accredited investors. So you cannot target non-accredited investors like you can with a Reg A. An accredited investor is earning $200,000 annually as an individual and $300,000 or more as a couple. He or she or they must have a $1 million net worth, and that excludes any real estate. The financials are not required to be audited, so more similar to a Tier 1 on the Reg A side. But the securities are restricted, unlike a Reg A. They are restricted for 6 to 12 months or until the company goes public and all the shares are free trading. How do you file? You file with the SEC using a Form D after the first securities have been sold. So that's a comparison of the key differences between a Regulation A offering and a Reg D offering. Some caveats about this video: do not make any decisions based on this information. I am not an attorney, and the info in these slides does not constitute any legal advice. Please consult your SEC attorney. If you don't have an SEC attorney, we would be happy to recommend one to you. You can send an email to me with any questions at carl@continuecap.com. Thanks for watching.